What's up, guys and gals? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's talk about the profit pack. Let's talk about this NASDAQ setup. Let's talk about how simplistic analysis absolutely qualified the profit pack setup that yielded over 650 ticks to the downside, guys. I mean, we're talking about over $3,000. So, let's talk about some prior price action, right? When price action is consolidating, we need to acknowledge it because we're going to likely use it in our favor. So you can see up here we have an area of what we would call resistance. And down in this area here, we have an area what we would call support, right? So when support breaks, what does support turn into? New resistance, right? So here is our profit band trend change from long to short. We break support. Support now becomes resistance. Here's your impulse, your correction through the profit band inside of the new resistance zone. Boom, impulse, correct, massive impulse. And we just start grinding lower, some 650 ticks. Guys, all you had to do was pay yourself and protect yourself. How do you manage this? Price action sets up the trigger. You get short here. You take your first profit where buyers stepped in last, right? So right as we come into this area here, boom, you take some profit. You move your stop from the top of this trigger candle to the bottom of this trigger candle. You leave it alone. The market impulses, it corrects, generates a new retest of the profit band. And as soon as this bar prints and starts going lower, you're going to take your stop from your entry and you're going to move it right on top of this bar. The market's going to impulse. It's going to keep grinding lower. Ultimately, it's going to retest that profit band again right here. When that trigger bar prints and price action pushes lower, you're going to take your stop from right up here and move it right down here. Market pushes down, pushes back up, generates another trigger bar. You're going to take your stop from the top of that trigger bar to the top of this trigger bar. Market keeps pushing down, pushes back up, retests right here, and you're going to move that stop one more time. Guys, you're going to get stopped out with the last piece of your trade with over 500 ticks. That's over $2,500 per contract that you get stopped out with. We're talking about a huge amount of money. Now, if you're not a futures trader, I'm a futures trader. So the videos you see are going to be of futures because those are the markets that I'm actively trading live. So I'm going to show you how it works in real life scenario because these are the markets that I'm looking at. These are the markets that my clients are looking at that are trading live with me. You may be a Forex trader or a stock trader or a Bitcoin or crypto trader. Well, this will work for all of those markets. So this is really universally available for the scalp trader, the day trader, even the short-term swing trader, okay? So this can be fully adjusted to the speed of your liking. It prints these very clean, very structured Renko-style bars so that you are able to interpret with great clarity where resistance is, where support is. When support is broken, now becomes resistance. Here's your trend change. Here's your impulse. Here's your correction. Here's your trigger. Impulse, correct, so on and so forth into over 650 ticks of profit potential. And again, even if you got stopped out down here at the last candle that pulled through the profit band, you're still looking at over 500 ticks. That's $2,500 per contract. So guys, I encourage you, below this video, there's a bunch of links. Watch the videos, watch the webinar, consume the content, reach out to me. We'll have a conversation and get you up and running.